So just bought this onesie a couple of days ago, tried it out. So far I like it. It has good material. The zipper works pretty well. It's got grips on it, Velcro so you can tighten it. On both sides. It's got these little sock things that you can put under the shoes. We just put those up in it and tightened this and put the boots under it, but you could use those straps if you needed to. They seem secure. And yeah, we went down to the beach. We're in the sand, and it really didn't collect any of the sand. It was easy to brush it off. Has these cute little ears on the top of it. Rain cover. The back of it, I like that it's dark colored. So if you're sitting down, it doesn't stain it. And yeah, it has a little pulley to secure it, make it tighter for if it's raining, and he's got that up. So yeah, overall, I'm happy with it. Fits him well. Seems good.